I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you're looking to add a debit card to your Boost Mobile account, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the Boost Mobile app or website and log in with your credentials. This is where you'll manage your payment methods. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Options. Once logged in, find the Payment or Billing section in the menu. This is where you can update your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Payment Method. In the Payment Options, look for an option that says Add Payment Method or Add Debit Card. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter your debit card information. Fill out the required fields with your debit card details, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure the information is accurate to avoid errors. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your information, click on Save or Confirm to add the debit card to your account. You should see a confirmation message once it's successful. Remember to double-check your card details, as a small typo can lead to payment issues. If you follow these steps, you should have no trouble adding your debit card. Happy managing your Boost Mobile account.